Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of the Amazon Seller Central Dashboard, covering every single menu item in detail, so you can understand what each section does and how it can help you run and grow your business on Amazon. When you open the main menu, the first section you'll see is Catalog. This is where everything begins, because it allows you to add new products to Amazon's marketplace or manage the listings you already have. If you're creating a new listing, you'll fill in details like product title, brand, category, and upload images. If your product already exists in Amazon's catalog, you can simply match it and start selling right away. Next is Inventory, and this is probably one of the tabs you'll visit most often. Here you can see all the products you've listed, monitor your available stock, and make edits to titles, images, or descriptions. You can also manage pricing and fulfillment methods directly from here, so it's really the control center for keeping your store organized. After that comes Pricing, which is all about staying competitive. Amazon gives you tools here to adjust your prices manually, or you can set up automated pricing rules that help you in the buy box more often without having to constantly update prices yourself. Then we move into Orders, where you'll find everything related to customer purchases. You can view pending orders, ship orders, and handle returns or cancellations. This section is crucial for customer satisfaction because responding quickly to orders and returns directly affects your account health. The next big area is Advertising, which is where you can set up and manage your sponsored ads campaigns. This is a huge part of succeeding on Amazon because even if you have a great product, you'll need visibility to get sales. Advertising helps you target the right keywords, reach new customers, and analyze the performance of your campaigns. Following that, we have Growth, which is designed to help you expand your business. Amazon provides personalized recommendations here, such as which products are performing well, which ones might benefit from ads, and which growth programs like global selling you can join. Then we have Reports, which is the analytics hub of your account. You'll find detailed business reports here, including sales by date, sales by product, traffic data, conversion rates, and inventory health. These reports are essential if you want to make data-driven decisions rather than guessing what's working. Closely tied to Reports is the Payments tab, where you can track your disbursements, see upcoming payouts, and review past transaction history. This section keeps you updated on exactly how much money Amazon owes you and when you'll receive it. Now, let's talk about Performance. This is one of the most important sections for every seller because it shows your account health. Amazon grades your performance based on things like order defect rate, late shipment rate, and customer feedback. If your performance slips too low, Amazon can restrict your account, so it's important to check this tab regularly and resolve any issues quickly. The Partner Network section connects you with third-party providers, like logistics companies, ad agencies, and service tools that can help you manage different parts of your business. In Services, you'll see a range of Amazon's own programs and tools designed to make selling easier, whether that's FBA prep services, automated messaging, or premium account support. Then there's B2B, which is often overlooked but can be a big opportunity. Through Amazon Business, you can sell in bulk to companies, schools, and organizations, often with special pricing and discounts, which can be a great way to scale your revenue. Next up is Brands, and this is extremely valuable if you've enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. This tab unlocks powerful tools like A+ content for your listings, brand analytics to understand customer behavior, and protection features that help stop counterfeiters from copying your products. Finally, we have the Learn section, which is full of resources created by Amazon to help you improve as a seller. You'll find guides, tutorials, and training modules that cover everything from product launches to advertising strategies. This section is great for beginners who want to sharpen their skills and for experienced sellers who want to keep up with new features. My advice is this. While every tab has its importance, focus daily on inventory, orders, performance, and reports because those 4 areas will have the biggest impact on your success. Inventory ensures your products are live and available, orders keeps your customers happy, performance protects your account, and reports give you insights to keep growing. Once you become comfortable navigating this menu, Seller Central will no longer feel overwhelming, and you'll start seeing it as the powerful tool it really is for managing and scaling your Amazon business. That's it for this complete walkthrough of the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. If you found this useful, take the time to log in and explore each tab yourself to get hands-on experience. And if you're looking to take your Amazon business to the next level, I've added a Helium 10 discount link in the description, so do check it out and start optimizing your product research and listings today.